Warrants for over 30 high-ranking officials, including former presidents and prime ministers, accusing them of corruption related to misappropriation of funds or equipment from Haiti's National Equipment Center. The center handles heavy machinery for tasks like road construction and disaster response. Notable figures named in the warrants include former President Michel Martelly, Jocelyn Prévert, and former Prime Ministers Laurent Lamotte, Jean-Michel Lapin, among others. None of those named have been arrested, and some have issued statements denying the allegations. The judge has requested the accused to meet for questioning as the investigation unfolds, but it is common for Haitian officials to ignore such requests without facing consequences. Local newspaper Le Nouveliste obtained a copy of a statement issued by Mr. Lapin in which he says that he was never officially notified of the arrest warrant. He also said that at no time during his 32-year political career did he ever become involved with the National Equipment Center.